How to see who viewed my Facebook profile. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu that is on the bottom right corner. First, you have to have a professional account for this. For that, you want to go to your profile, tap on your profile. Then you want to tap on the three dots on the right side of Edit Profile. Now you want to scroll down from here and then you want to tap on Turn to Professional Mode. Then you want to go ahead and turn on. As you do that, your professional mode will be turned on your Facebook profile. Now you want to go back to your Facebook profile, then refresh your account. As you do that, you will see Professional Dash Mode just below Add Story and Advertise. Now go ahead and tap on See Dashboard. Go ahead and tap on Reach. Now here you will be able to see how many people have viewed your Facebook profile. Now to see who had viewed your profile, follow these steps. Now you want to go back to the home page of your phone and then open any of the browser that you like. I am using Safari here. Now you want to go to the search bar and search for Facebook Profile View Tracker. Then you want to scroll down a little bit and then you will see 9 Best Facebook Profile View Tracker. Now you want to go ahead and tap on it and install any of the app, and then you want to paste the link of your profile in that particular app. Then you will be able to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.